Dealing with the Crtdll Library DLL runtime error is the last thing you need today. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this specific conflict. Avoid long manual edits for Crtdll library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Crtdll library, a legacy localized C Runtime library. It provides foundational unmanaged C functions like printf and malloc for 1990s era 32-bit applications. While replaced by msvcrt.dll, it remains in Windows for backward compatibility with 16 and 32-bit hybrid software. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. To fix the underlying dependency, reinstall Microsoft C Runtime legacy Shim from the source. Grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from Microsoft and run them to ensure all library links are restored. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Crtdll library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A quick safety warning: never download files like Crtdll Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Crtdll library environment. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Crtdll library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.